Hello, YouTube. This is your host, Tommy Cam, coming to you live from Liberty Square in Bloomington, Indiana. Today, today I just want to talk about my final day at the Excel Center, how my term went, and just to tell you guys a little bit about my facts. Well, my first fact that I learned from being here a couple of days was actually not to be nervous about being in class. Well, this is kind of some new advice for people who's looking for a college right now, who's looking for like a person to be with. Always look around the different areas, because there's like so many like different areas. There's like IE, there's like Purdue, there's like Indiana State. And also, if you guys even just get nervous about one thing, it's okay, because we all get nervous. Now, plus also, I think that's important to talk about. It's important to talk about how your guys' skills are doing. That's what's most important right now, okay? So when you guys come up like to your teacher and say, okay, I need help like with skills, that's where they'll find your resource period here at the Excel Center. The Excel Center is like one great school. It actually brings you like on the buy of help. And it also works on your skills for achievement. It works on like your academic roles. It also brings you guys up for like more success. And I'm not trying to be a know-it-all, but we all need just like maybe like a little bit of help sometimes. Because a little bit of help would go a long way. That's what I learned from a very special person. That's what I learned from my mom, Miss Katrina Florkey. She has helped me along this way. In this area where I'm currently at, down there's El Compadre, okay? And then over in this area, you got Sylvan, you got a retail place on the other side. And also, you guys got some major achievements by looking around at the different areas. So like my advice for you guys, if you guys are just starting out with school, is just try not to overthink it. I got myself a backpack right here. Which I got from like which I got from like shoe department in Gatlinburg, Tennessee, which just to show you guys like one of the semis that comes here. Now this is kind of a true fact. Watch that FedEx truck go around the corner, okay? And then just to show you guys a little bit around this area, over there, Sam's Club, like Walmart. Over there is like Aldi's, Steak and Shake. Down there's Menards. So this is pretty much your like shopping area. And then like going on like all the way down there, you turn a left and it brings you up to one of the nicest parts of Bloomington. It's called the Spring Mills Edge. And then also down that way you can get to like down that way, down I-69, you guys can get like to where my mom lives, Bedford, Indiana. You can check that place out because they have like the best food variety that there is. All right. So promise me, you guys. If you guys are planning to come to Indiana, give Bloomington a chance. This is your host, Tommy Cam, signing out.